Hello and good day. Thanks for joining us. Today is Monday, July 9th. Hope you had a good weekend. Today we're going to take a quick look at WBSI. That's WebSafety Inc. And this is a daily chart going back to February. We first alerted the stock back at the end of March, early April, when it was trading between a penny and a half and 2 cents. And right back then, you seen the run all the way up to 0.87. So it was a very nice gainer for us back then. And I just want to point out some of the indicators that look like they're setting up similar to how we progressed back in end of March, early April. If you go back mid-April, you can see that the PPO crossed over right here, and the RSI got up in the power zone, and that's when you had this big breakout and the stock ran from a penny and a half, 2 cent range all the way to 0.87. Since then there's been a consolidation, but we have a solid level of support off of the 200-day moving average, which is currently at 0.146. Notice the stock is consolidated and it's been bouncing off of this 200-day moving average. So that's a very good sign that the 200-day is holding as support. There's been a couple bounces where it bounced off that 200-day and had a nice little move. Notice when she ran from a penny and a half to 0.33, the RSI tried to get through the 50 overlay, and that's what's happening right here. The RSI is currently trying to get through the 50-day moving average, and if it gets above this 50 line, that's going to be a very positive sign. And you notice the PPO is showing a hint of convergence. These lines are starting to pinch together. I'd like to see these lines cross over, and I'd like to see the blue bars on the histogram start to go to the top side and go positive. Notice the slow stow also recently crossed over, and those lines are turning up, and it looks like they want to make a attack at the 50-day overlay. So all the indicators look like they're setting up for a rally. If these indicators can get through the 50 overlay and keep going north, that's going to be a very positive sign. Usually the bulls like that. So support is currently at 0.146, which is the 200-day moving average. You're going to have some resistance here where the rest of the moving averages are. You got the 50, the 100, and the 20-day all bunched up right over 2 cents. So if the stock can get above this resistance at these moving averages, could get some momentum, and you could see a breakout. The next resistance point is going to be 0.291 and 0.433. So definitely something to keep in mind. On Friday, the stock closed at 0.201 and was up 12.9%. Gonna definitely keep a radar on WBSI this week. So be sure to stop by our website at bluehorseshoestocks.com and read our disclaimer for disclosure purposes. Thanks for tuning in.